Man himself.
I can't believe I go last week. I feel like I want him with them now.
We should have made the wall can get in and chop. We should have chopped him in his face and that. Joke. But no, say no, don't let him come and get him.
Anyone cross the border, I get slapped with.
Man, that's the one, man. Team come cross again. All them two boy they were on. They get it in that. No, that. The boy them fast in that. The boy them fast in that. I two boy them run off and then me want to work on them for them fuck. So with them two dead here, with them two dead here, we can't hold them so. So no yeah, I get it.
There's a certain things that boy for dead in the dark, one boy for dead, a boy for dead in the dark.
But you want to tell me you get all order, you know?
Yeah man, when me say one man want for that fucking order in the dark, I want a certain thing.
Alright, problem,
don't answer them, is it?
No, the answer.
None of them no who a violate gunshot him a go dead live. None of them no body no dog. None of them no body no dog. Puppy, chemicals and boy down a mag. Me shot but they can't taller than mapstick. Circle the pussy, them ends I'm a clap.
Yeah, sharp guy. They'll do the thing going on. The whole of Portmore and the whole of St. James. Remember?
Yo, how you done? How you done? This man name. Hold on, man. One link in the man.
Let him through.
What go on, dog? How you doing,
Yeah, I know.
the boy them from the town, not and not dog. The cripple boy from around so dog. You know, some man want to beat them, dog.
What you say?
That me I tell
That
you, man.
cripple boy there, him never say shot me, shut off him. Where man do? Shut off him head? Yo, kill quick, what go on? Now right now that you're alcohol, man, fuck up around there. Right now.
For doing that, I'm ready for that. Yeah, man, I'm serious, man. Man, beat me up in the dog. Lick back in my face, you know.
Any boy at all, I don't know what it does.
I'm sorry, man.
Yo, murder! After this, no, you're nothing from the now, you hear that? Murder!
Pussy!
Yo, what you doing, sir?
Pussy when
I want to be brother. What you doing, sir?
Pussy!
Man, get
Pussy! Bad batty boy! You feel like you can beat
I'm mad at you, yeah, boy. Get on, brother. I'll go to your damn pussy. Go to your damn no pussy.
Batty boy!
Fuck your mother to pussy. I'm gonna get it.